A drone that fits in the palm of your hand, launches straight off your fingertips, and might just outfilm cameras 3 times its size. That's not a marketing hype headline. That's the actual conversation happening right now across leak forums, FCC filings, and grainy field test clips that keep popping up and mysteriously vanishing. I'm talking about the upcoming DJI Neo 3. Before you click away thinking it's just another rumor mill, stick with me. There is one specific detail buried in these leaks that nobody is talking about enough. A transmission upgrade that could turn this tiny selfie drone into a legitimate FPV racer. Let's get into it. Before we dive into specs, let's talk credibility, because not all drone leaks are created equal. Field sightings, prototype units spotted in public parks, clues showing a redesigned body that doesn't match any retail product. Regulatory filings, paperwork submitted to agencies like the FCC, revealing model numbers, battery specs, and layout changes months ahead of launch. Supply chain mock-ups, internal graphics, and retail briefings that give us a glimpse of the final design language. Testers have reportedly spotted a redesigned dual-layer propeller guard system similar in concept to the Avitus series, but noticeably refined. We're talking a slimmer overall silhouette and an open grille guard style that offers more airflow and better visibility through the frame. Crucially, leakers expect DJI to keep the Neo 3 in that sub-250G sweet spot in the US and most global markets. Staying under 250 grams means exemption from mandatory aviation authority registration. The single biggest reason casual buyers choose this drone over bulkier alternatives. If you only care about image quality, this is where things get exciting. The current leak cycle points to a major step up in light gathering capability, while conservative rumors point to a refined version of the previous sensor with vastly improved low-light handling. The more ambitious camp is floating specs closer to a mid-range action camera. When it comes to video performance, we're looking at a battle between 2 primary rumors. The reliable baseline, rock-solid 4K at 60 frames per second with enhanced rock-steady stabilization. The ambitious leap, 4K at 120 frames per second for buttery smooth, professional slow motion straight out of a palm launch drone. Now this is the big one. Chatter suggests the Neo 3 maintains full compatibility with DJI's O4 transmission system alongside the newer goggles N3 headset. If true, this changes everything. O4 is the backbone of DJI's Sirius FPV lineup, offering low latency and solid range. A palm-sized, guard-protected drone that plugs directly into that ecosystem bridges 2 completely different worlds. Casual vloggers wanting smooth 4K social media clips, and FPV pilots wanting a lightweight, forgiving trainer that they can throw around without fearing expensive crashes. To support that kind of aggressive flying, safety tech has to improve. Rumors point to an expanded sensor layout moving toward a more complete coverage bubble around the drone, replacing the older forward-only detection. On the endurance side, DJI is reportedly targeting a modest 5 to 10-minute flight time improvement over the previous generation, achieved through power-efficient motors and optimized battery cells rather than adding heavy physical bulk that would break the 250G limit. Expect the usual standalone and fly more combo options at launch. So what's my final take? I bet on 4K 60 as a lock, an iterative sensor refinement, and O4/goggles N3 compatibility being the real deal because it fits DJI's playbook too well. If pricing lands in the familiar $229 to $279 range, this could easily become the best-selling drone of the year. What do you think? Is the FPV crossover feature enough to make you pick one up? Drop a comment below, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the next leak drop, and ring the bell so you don't miss our official review when it lands. Thanks for watching.